Again at Chiben's Designs Bag Making Tutorial. This morning we talk about machine. You need to service your machine, especially this place, this pot. You need to wash it with kerosene or fuel so that all those debts will be removed from the pot, because if you allow the dirt to be there, the machine will not be working well. You can see all these accessories now. You can see them now. They are very, very dirty, and it makes the machine will not be working well. So, but when you wash it, everything will be alright. So that is what your machine needs. This is my kerosene, and this is my brush. You use it and wash it. After you finish washing them, like this, then you use a clean rag to clean them. See this bubbling case, it's very, very dirty. It will be making your thread to be cotton. Then you use rag to clean them. After you finish cleaning them, then you couple them back. The machine will start working normal. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.